Good morning, children. Welcome back to our Google Classroom. Today, we will discuss the last part of our story, Bibin Chowdhury's Lapse of Memory, written by Satyajit Ray. As we all know, Bibin Babu was completely shocked after getting the confirmation from Chunilal about his Ranchi trip. According to Chunilal's advice, he consulted a doctor named Paresh Chanta. Then he started his journey to Ranchi to recall the incidents happened in October 58. Let's check what happened to him when he was in Ranchi. How did he feel and what conclusion did he come out with at the end of the story? Let's start the fourth part of the story. On Dr. Paresh Chanda's advice, Bibin Babu went to Ranchi. When he looked out of the window of the taxi, he tried to recall the buildings, the roads, the areas where all he had gone. But he found all of them very unfamiliar to him. Then he thought of going to Hudri Falls and believed that he might recall something about this falls. When he went there, after a while, he fell unconscious. When two of the picnickers found him lying unconscious there, they helped him to gain consciousness. When he gained his consciousness, he said there was just no hope. That means he couldn't remember the things. Next day morning, he was in Calcutta, but with a stressed out mind. He was depressed. He thought of something had happened to him, probably a kind of memory loss. What would become of him? He will end up losing his job, his ability, his confidence, and his respect in the society. He might end up in an asylum. He didn't know what to do. Completely depressed, he rang up Dr. Paresh Chanda and told him to come over to meet him. Just then, the servant brought a letter to him. It was in a greenish envelope. Bibin Babu opened the letter, and there was a letter from Chunilal. Let's read the letter. This is the letter. Let's discuss the content of the letter. Dear Bibin, I had no idea that wealth could change you so much. When I was under bad condition, you didn't help me with a job. I have no money, but I have imagination. So, whatever you have undergone or whatever you have experienced about the Ranchi trip is all a part of my imagination. And this was just to punish you of your misbehavior. In some time, you will be all right. And I have written a novel which is now considered by a publisher. And maybe I'll get some money to see me through a few months from here. When Bibin Babu read this letter, he couldn't believe his eyes. He now understood that this was all the trick played by his very own friend Chunilal. Why do you think Chunilal played this trick on Bibin Babu? Because Bibin Babu refused to help Chunilal when he required it. So, Chunilal was so frustrated and decided to punish Bibin Babu. And he created such an environment in which Bibin Babu gets stressed and would feel depressed about his mental condition. Now, Bibin Babu learned the lesson. And as he was thinking about all these, Dr. Paresh Chanda entered the room. But Bibin Babu felt so impressed that he could not tell the doctor what the real case was. So, he just told him that he had a fall due to which his hip was paining. So, to cover up, he asked for few painkillers on that hip pain. And that's the end of our story. What do you learn from this? This was an interesting story and the suspense was out only at the end. For the entire story, we kept on believing that there must be something wrong with Bibin Babu and with his mental condition. But at the end, we realized that there was nothing like that. It was just a punishment which he got from his friend whom he didn't help. So, What is the moral of this story? We should help a person when he need it. That is, a friend in need is a friend indeed. We have some textual activities. Just do that. Page number 70. Working with language. First one. Look at these two sentences. He had to buy at least 5 books to last him through the week. Bebin had to ask Chuni to leave. Had to is used to show that it was very important or necessary for Bebin Babu to do something. He had no choice. We can also use have to or has to in the same way. In the present tense, we can use has to or have to according to the subject. And we can use had to in the past tense. Fill in the blanks below using had to, have to or has to. First one, I have to cut my hair every month. Second one, we had to go for swimming lessons last year. Third one, she has to tell the principal the truth. Fourth one, they had to take the baby to the doctor. Fifth one, we have to complain to the police about the noise. Sixth one, Romit had to finish his homework before he could come out to play. Seventh one, I had to repair my cycle yesterday. Do the rest of the activities yourself. The answer key of these activities are attached with the notes. That's all for today. A YouTube URL is attached. Watch the video. A test paper is also included. Submit your answers as soon as possible. The notes of this chapter is attached. Learn it. We can meet in the next class with a new topic. Thank you.